Hello students, welcome to Irrigation. Today we make smart irrigation system. Now start the project. First we open Tinkercad. This is a Tinkercad text code. And now search the component. First we search Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO, drag and drop here. Second we search soil moisture sensor. This is a soil moisture sensor. And now search two LED, one LED, and first LED is red and second LED is green. Click on the LED, there is an option to change the color. And take two resistors, one resistor for the red LED and second resistor for the green LED. Also change the value of resistor 1 kilo ohm to 330 ohm. 330 ohm. And also change this kilo ohm to ohm. Another resistor also you can change 330 ohm. Now change 330. Now again we search breadboard. This is a mini breadboard. Now start connecting the circuit. In the soil moisture sensor, you can see there is three pins: power pin, ground pin, and signal pin. Power pin connect to the 5 volt of the Arduino. This is a 5 volt. Also change the color. And second is ground pin. Connect to the GND of the Arduino. This is a GND. Also change the color black. The last pin, signal pin. Signal pin connect to the A0 of Arduino. This also change color here. Now we connect the LED. One LED is connect here and second LED is connect to the breadboard. Also connect to the resistor to the cathode of the Arduino. You can see this is a cathode pin and second is anode pin. And connect to the ground of the Arduino. Select this and put in the ground. This is the ground pin black. And bypass the ground to the second resistor. Now anode pin connect to the any digital pin of the Arduino. I have connected 11. Second LED of digital pin, second LED of anode pin connect to the 10. Green LED connect to the 10 and the red LED connect to the 11 pin. Now again we search motor for the water pump. This is the water pump and you can operate water pump from relay. Relay is an automatic switch. You can control with a Arduino. Relay is not controlled by manual. It's automatic switch. Now we search supply for the motor pump. This is the supply. Now we connect the motor. Put here. This is the supply. Now, in the relay there is 12 pins. Connect 12 terminals to the positive of the supply. 12 terminals connect to the positive of the supply. Also change the color to the positive. And second terminal number 8, connect to the Arduino, any digital pin of Arduino. I have connect to the second pin of Arduino. Second pin of Arduino, and the terminal 6 connect to the ground pin of Arduino. I have connected the resistor of soil moisture sensor to the ground. You can note the pin terminal 12 connect to the supply, which is supply from supply. You can connect also Arduino power 5. And second pin is a terminal. This is terminal 8 connect to the Arduino, and terminal 6 connect to the GND of Arduino. And the last one, and the last pin, this is the ground pin connect to the terminal number 5, not terminal number 6. Sorry for that. Terminal number 6 connect to the DC motor, connect to the water pump. Okay. Terminal number 6 connect to the water pump. The red, and second terminal of the motor connect to the supply of irrigation. You can also put this supply from AC volt. You can also use AC volt pump. That is same connection, same as it is. You can now click on the code and delete this code. When you use a sensor, I always tell you, when you use sensor, always click on the variable and create value. Soil moisture. They don't give space here. You can use underscore. Soil moisture. Set soil moisture here. Set soil moisture to 0. In the 0 block, you can put which pin you have connected to the Arduino. I have connected to the Arduino of analog pin. So go to the input block and use analog pin A0. If you are connected to the digital pin of any digital pin, then you can use read digital pin. Okay. Now go to the output. Take print to serial monitor. This is a print to serial monitor, and go to the variable block and put the soil moisture block. Now start simulate and calculate the value for the wet sensor and the dry sensor. Start simulating, click on the serial monitor. You can see the value, there is value 0. Now click on the soil moisture sensor. There is an option to increase the value and decrease. This portion for the dry sensor is in dry condition. This is the wet condition. Now this is the online simulation. That's why is given that like that. If I increase this value, you can see in the serial monitor, then value is also increased. Maximum value is 876. If the sensor is wet, maximum wet, then value is 876. If minimum, then you can put the condition from, I have to put condition if the value is increasing, then my motor pump is on and red LED also on. Go to the control block and take if condition. This is the if condition. Then go to the math section and use this triangle block. After that, go to the variable block. We have to compare the value of soil moisture sensor. You can put here soil moisture sensor and greater than equal to, I have put the value of 450. Compare that the sensor value is greater than 450, then my motor pump and green LED. Green LED is the indicator the motor is on. Go to the output block and take this. You can use 3 blocks. First block for the green LED is connected to the 10. Second block second set pin is red LED. Red LED is connect to the 11 pin, and the relay is connect to the second pin. If condition is followed, then green LED and red LED is off, and also motor will be on. Now click on the duplicate button and copy the code and paste here. You can now, if condition is not followed, then my green LED is off. This is the 10 number pin is green LED off, and 11 pin is a red LED. Red LED is on, and motor also off. If soil moisture sensor is wet, then pump and motor on. Oh, sorry, there is a. Now start simulate. Now, if sensor is dry, then motor red LED on. If sensor is wet, then you can see motor is operating and green LED on. Now change the condition. Condition is wrong. If the sensor is dry, then motor pump and green LED on. If sensor is wet, then red LED on. Condition, you can change the condition. Now, if sensor value, you can put if sensor value is less than. Here you put if sensor value is less than 200, 100, then motor and LED on. Now start simulate. This is the correct condition. Now you can see motor is operating and green LED is on. Here we give the condition sensor value is less than 100. Now click on the serial monitor and check the value. It is correct or not? Yes. If less than 100 means 0. Now click here. If sensor is dry, now if the condition is sensor is dry, then motor pump and green LED on. If sensor is wet, you can see value is greater than 100, then you can see motor off and red LED is on. Again, I have less than 100 condition. You can see the motor on. You can also increase the voltage value. You can see the motor speed RPM increasing. You can change the value. You can also make in the hardware and also use the AC water pump. This is the block code. Now you can see the text code. Stop here. Click here block plus text. You can see this is the text code. You can copy this code and use in the Arduino IDE and upload to the Arduino. Also, I will given this code in the description. You can copy the code from description also. This text code. And this is a block code. You can see and copy the code like that. If you have any problem, you can comment also. I will help you. This project is so simple in the block condition. You can also make it and try it and make the hardware. If you have any problem, you can comment also. Now project is completed. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button. Then my next video notification will be received. Thank you all friends.